In this video, I have some good news. If you have used Higgsfield Marketing Studio and you got your ad in English and then you wanted to translate it to another language of your choice, but then when you get the new video, the translation does not sound as the language you have chosen. And in this video, I will show you how to get an AI UGC ad from Marketing Studio and make so that the UGC is in your native language and the influencer is speaking with no accent. Okay, so I will give you some examples. As you can see, I have generated a lot of videos. I have tested lots of things. As you know, I have a school community and I have a skill that creates ads and videos automatically, fully on auto, and I have something really good going on. And today I was working on a skill that is creating unlimited free AI UGC ad videos, as many as you want, for free. Okay, that will be in the next video, so don't forget to like and subscribe and join my school community. The link will be down in the description or in the comment section, and you will find the skill here in my school community, in classroom, and then AI video automations, and I will put it here, AI video generator free ad skill. Okay, so back to the video. So when you're generating a video on Higgsfield Marketing Studio, let's go here, you see that there is no option for the language. You can press anywhere, but you will not find the language button, right? For example, when you promote a product, see I have different products, and you add the avatar. After you generate the video comes in English. So let's look on one example. If I go back to everything I have generated, we can see, for example, this video comes at first in English.
POV, the black summer dress that actually flatters every figure. The V neckline does something really nice for your chest. It just opens everything up without being too much. And this waist, it cinches you in without trying. The hem moves on its own. It's so light. Mia, that's it.
Okay, so when you get the video in English, you can then go to audio and then translate the video, right, to Swedish here. And you put the video here and then you pick the language you want, in my case Swedish, and then you generate. And as you can see, after you have added the video and translated, if you listen to the translation accent, in this case Swedish accent, will be with an English accent, okay? So listen, and it kind of sounds like English.
POV, den svarta sommarklänningen som faktiskt smickrar varje figur. V-ringningen gör något riktigt fint för din byst. Den öppnar upp allt utan att vara för mycket. Och denna midja, den drar in dig utan ansträngning. Follen rör sig av sig själv, den är så lätt. Mia, det var allt.
Okay, this is an okay example. Let me show you another one. So this is another ad in English. Let's watch it.
This is the kind of dress you just throw on and instantly feel pretty. It's so light, so cool. I've been wearing it all day and honestly forgot I had it on. Perfect for holidays, warm evenings, any of it really. I love it.
And now listen to the translation from Higgsfield. Let's listen.
Det här är ju typen av klänning du bara slänger på dig och genast känner dig fin. Den är så lätt, så sval. Jag har haft den på mig hela dagen och ärligt talat glömde jag att jag hade den på mig. Perfekt för semestrar, varma kvällar, egentligen vad som helst. Jag älskar den.
As you can hear, it's a little bit of English accent into it. Let's listen to another one. Let's first watch the English version.
This is the kind of dress you just throw on and feel pretty in instantly. It's so light, like you're barely wearing anything. Perfect for warm days like this. And the print, the soft pink floral, it just works with everything. I love it.
By the way, that's one of my best ads on Meta Ads. And it's actually 720p. So now I have changed the automatic skill on Claude so that it creates all the ad videos in 720p. Let's listen to the translation now and listen that it has kind of English accent. Okay, listen to it.
Det här är så typen av klänning du bara slänger på dig och genast känner dig fin i. Den är så lätt som om du knappt har något på dig. Perfekt för varma dagar som denna. Och mönstret, den mjuka rosa blomman, det passar bara till allt. Jag älskar den.
Okay, so as you can hear, there is a bit of English accent in there. So how do we solve this? So the solution for this is to take the video that you just translated to your language, in my case Swedish. You take it, you download, and then go to Higgsfield Audio And here, translate, add the video you just downloaded, so remove the old one, and then translate again to the language you want, okay? So in my case, I translated again to Swedish, and this is what I got, okay? So let's listen to how it should sound like.
Det här är så typen av klänning du bara slänger på dig och genast känner dig fin i. Den är så lätt som om du knappt har något på dig. Perfekt för varma dagar som denna. Och mönstret, den mjuka rosa blomman, det passar bara till allt. Jag älskar den.
That's perfect Swedish. Let's watch another one.
Sommarklänningen som faktiskt smickrar varje figur. B-ringningen gör något riktigt fint för din byst. Den öppnar upp allt utan att vara för mycket. Och denna midja, den drar in dig utan ansträngning. Follen rör sig av sig själv. Den är så lätt. Mia, det var allt.
There you go. Let's watch another example. First, watch the English.
This is the kind of dress you just throw on and instantly feel put together. It's so light and cool, I barely feel it. Perfect for warm days and summer evenings by the sea. Honestly, I'm obsessed.
And now let's watch the first translation to Swedish in this case.
Det här är typen av klänning du bara slänger på dig och genast känner dig samlad. Den är så lätt och sval, jag känner den knappt. Perfekt för varma dagar och sommarkvällar vid havet. Ärligt talat, jag är besatt.
Did you hear? That's an English accent. She's talking in Swedish, but with an English accent. And how did we get rid of it? We generate again from this with this English accent to translating to Swedish again. And this is what we got. Let's listen.
Det här är typen av klänning du bara slänger på dig och genast känner dig samlad. Den är så lätt och sval, jag känner den knappt. Perfekt för varma dagar och sommarkvällar vid havet. Ärligt talat, jag är besatt.
This was not perfect, but it's much better than the last video. For more tips and tricks, you can join my school community. The link will be down in the description and in the comment section. I hope you learned something in this video and see you in the next one.